this recording?
Hmm. Yes, why not? It's for you. I will do that. Okay,
Okay, no, just
now
saying things.
you will see you will see a hey my team lead or my you can say senior developer or my teammate. Okay,
Mm.
I have done the things. Okay, and I am good. And now I am ready to means I am ready so that you can review my code. Okay, and push and merge my code into a main branch. Means in our case is a dev is a main branch because we are authorized or we need to work only on dev. Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yep.
So for that, what you will do? mm, for that here, right hand side, are you able to see some reviewer? Right hand side, right
Yep.
hand side,
Reviewer. No
reviewer.
reviewer.
Click on this. Yes, you are able to see my name.
Yes.
Okay. In your real project, maybe you are able to see means multiple names. Okay. If
Mm.
those are multiple names, and let's say they will assign, hey, these will after after review of these person, only your branch can be merged. Makes sense.
Yes. Yeah.
So you will do in this manner, and in this add a title and description. You will mention what you change, why you change, so
Okay.
that it's easy for your buddy or your teammate to check your instruction and
Mm-hmm.
follow that instruction and review your thing and validate.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yep.
So after doing that, when you click create click on this create pull request. No, green one. So now if you are able to see, it's saying, hey, now it's done. Makes sense. But in a real scenario, you don't able to see this button, merge pull request.
Okay.
Why you are not able to see that? Because they in a real companies they will apply a checks there. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
They will apply a checks, so that means after means completing those checks, then you are able to do that. And I will also got a mail. Let me show you. I will got a mail. Hey, means someone raise a PR for your review. Okay. Let
Mm.
me share my screen and show you so that you understand how things are worked. And you're able to see my screen, please let me know. Okay.
E
Are you able to
service.
see my screen?
Just give me one. Yep. I can.
So here you are able to see I'm able. I got your mail regarding this PR. So this one, okay.
Yep.
List creation, and here I'm able to see anything what you did by and check that. Okay, and let's say they will disable request which you're able to see, and I will go there and add a my review.
Mm.
Let's say it will give me an option to add my review. So that in this manner means Deepak is also confirming. Okay, Deepak is also confirming he is a good with these changes. Make
Okay.
sense?
Mm.
So that's why you are able to, you can say this is a mandatory process.
Okay.
So let's say looks good. or looks good for me. And right now you will raise a PR against main. Okay.
Mm.
You have option to choose another branch as well. It's a next time, whatever you need to raise, please uh, take care. You need to raise your PR against master, not
Mm.
master. You need to raise a PR against dev only.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm.
Now everything is available in dev right now. If main, let me merge this. I approved, and now it's my comment is there. And if you will confirm merge, then you are able to see everything is available on your main branch.
Okay.
Any question, concern, or anything is not
No,
clear to you?
so far good.
Okay. Now we need to move to a next topic. Am I right?
Okay.
And what is our next topic? Is a, you can say, we will discuss the fundamental thing. Now we need to discuss about so this is our syllabus, and as per this syllabus we will this how internet works, we need to do that. Okay. And for that, PPT is already there. You can share your screen and open that PPT,
Okay.
and we will start from there. How internet works. Yes.
Okay. Mm.
Just basics only. Website basics only. Just slideshow. Open in a slideshow. Slideshow. So today we will discuss means from when this internet is introduced, how it's work, what things are there, and now today how things are worked. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we will discuss this thing. This is agenda of today class. Okay, go ahead, please. So understand the concept of internet. Why we need to go through theory, because theory is the base. Okay,
Mm.
and while writing a backend services or writing a, you can say your things, if you know the thing, then you can do better, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you just know this, not able to understand the things because you don't know the things, then you will always be confused, and you will always be rely on you can say different sources. Am I
Mm.
right?
Yep.
So here means what you will learn, understand the concept of internet, what is the
Mm-hmm.
outcome or objective, learn how to communication happen between computers. Let's say you are living in you are operating your computer from Canada, and I am operating my system from uh, India. Makes sense. How they will able to coordinate or how things are worked there. Okay.
Yep.
And then you will understand the terms HTTP, IP, and this DNS. Explore evolution of the internet. Okay.
Mm.
What is the history there? Why we need to know history, chat?
To get a good understanding of the base.
Apart from that,
Also, like, uh, if you want to be good at something, if you don't know about the origin, then it's gonna be tough for you.
yes. Okay, go ahead on the next slide.
What is TCP and IP protocols?
So let's say in a normal, you can say this normal day-to-day life. Okay, you have some protocols like in your, you can say class. You need to follow some rules or protocols. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And on your work as well, you need to follow some protocols. Makes sense.
Mm.
So same thing, uh, you can say same thing with the here as well. Okay. So to communicate one computer to another, we have some standards. Okay.
Okay.
Or protocols means, hey, if I will in a, you can say, I will send you a hello, or I will send you how are you. Then you will send me a this. I am fine, in that kind of response. Am I right?
Mm.
And same thing means how communication will happen. Okay.
Mm.
So for that, there is a protocols are there. So TCP stand for Transmission Control Protocol. Okay.
Mm.
Transmission. What you understand from transmission? Control. What you understand from transmission?
Transmission going from one place to another, something like this.
Yes. And control
Controls mean control.
means you need to in a control. If I will say you need to go for control, you want a control on everything. Am I right?
Mm.
To
Mm.
ensure liability means order in which order that will work, and if there is an error, how you will tackle that error. You have a full control. Am I right?
Mm. Yep.
So same thing with this. Okay. So as is mentioned, TCP transmission control protocol. Am
Yeah.
I right?
Yes.
So it's a responsible for your transmission between different pieces. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Next slide.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Then you can say core component of the internet. Definitely, let's say you want to, we need to communicate. What is the mode of communication? Is it, let's say, verbal or written? We require to, in a verbal communication, we need to speak.
Yeah.
Am I right? And while you are speaking, that person in your range. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So on a internet, if we need to communicate, we require devices, computer or laptop or phone. Okay.
Yep.
And because uh, in a internet, you can say data is available on a server, means a machines, makes sense,
Mm-hmm.
which is available on a, you can say, which is available on internet. Those are called server. And you can say we require this server is required where everything is stored. Okay.
Mm.
And ISPs.
Internet service providers.
Yes. So like in India, Airtel is there, or Vodafone, GUA, and in Canada, I don't know, but internet service provider, which will provide us a service. And you can see you require a DNS as well,
What is DNS?
domain name system.
Like Facebook.com, Google.com.
Yes. Basically, you require address. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Where I need to send, where I need to give go means make a request, so
Mm-hmm.
that I will get my desired output. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
And you can say IP address is there, okay, which is a 122 something like that, but it's not a means human friendly. Human
Mm-hmm.
cannot understand. If I will say, hey, rather than using my website or our company website, TechLambda, you need to fill a IP address.
Mm.
Okay, so then it's hard for you because as a human, then you cannot familiarize with these things. Internet protocol. IP stand for Internet Protocol. Okay.
Mm.
So let's say there is a IP address is 192.0.0.221.
Mm.
Makes sense. So you are not able to memorize. So that's why DNS comes in a picture.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can say it's a directory,
Mm. Okay.
phone directory, where with the help of that means you are able to find a phone number and make a call there. Clear?
Yeah.
And these are the, you can say, some protocols, like as I told you, TCP, transmission control protocol, and IP. You can see here this uh, internet protocol. Okay, so IP addresses and HTTP stand for your this stand for your this hyper. You can say hypertext transfer protocol. Basically, here you are transferring a, you can say, your text. Okay, make sense?
Mm, no.
No worries. So basically, this is a protocol which will, let's say, you are able to transfer when you, let's say, you will make a request to the server and you are able to see some content there.
Mm.
Okay, so how it's possible means it's written on a server and now you are able to see the content there,
Mm.
but actually content is available on your this server.
Yeah.
So how transfer will happen? Because here you can think of, like,
I have a
Chinese.
question.
Yes.
So basically, whenever you remember that in the project, uh, so something like see HTTP. What is this thing then?
This is a, you can say, DNS.
No, no, it's HTTPS.
Yes, so HTTPS is a protocol. Right now we are just discussing HTTP only.
Okay.
Okay, when we'll say HTTPS, then it stand for, you can say, hypertext, you can say hyper protocol secure, hypertext transfer protocol secure, which is a make your transfer secure.
Okay.
S, makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
now move to next slide.
User browser DNS lookup server request server processing response browser. Almost like the same one we did last class, but a little bit change.
You can say things are updating little bit. It's
Yeah.
not you can say you will not get everything is new for you. No,
Mhm.
it's linked with the previous thing.
Yeah. This DNS lookup server request server processing. These are new, but user browser and at the end browser render.
You can think simply. Hey, you will require something to from me. Okay.
Mm.
Then to fulfill your request, then I need to you require some gateway. How
Yeah.
you can interact. Am I right? Because server is a different thing, and you need to interact. You require some gate middleman.
Mm-hmm.
So for us, browser is a middleman
Mm.
where you will put a. You can say I require this address. I need to. Uh, I require. I want to get a information from this address only.
Yeah.
Then it will check this address is available or not. Let's
Mm-hmm.
say think about you need to deliver a letter. Okay, deliver a parcel.
Mm-hmm.
So same thing. What you will do? You will means user means ask, hey, you have my parcel. What you will do? You will check
Mm.
means whatever parcel available with you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
and you will check based on some information, isn't it?
Yes.
So DNS lookup is the same thing, means you will check address. Hey, parcel is there, but Deepak parcel is there or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then means you will get address. Then you will means your request will be dispatched there.
Yeah.
And server is a you can say manager there who will check everything. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
What thing available against this request? It will you can say based on your request it will deliver the things, it will process,
Mm.
it will check the request and based on that it will process. After processing it will respond.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
it will send a response and your browser will then you are able to see your website or output.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is same thing but you are able to see under the hood how things are worked. Okay,
Mm.
go ahead please. So, in our initial stage, we have a stage one, APRANET, when it's launched, internet is launched, and you can say this first computer network founded by USA Department of Defense. Okay, connector earlier is not available for public. Okay,
Mm.
it's available for research institutions only. Packet switching concept introduced. So, packet switching means you can think of your whatever you will transfer it will goes into a packet.
Yes.
Okay, and switching means what you understand from switching.
Um, Changing from one to another.
Yes, could you move ahead please. Early internet, birth of the world wide web. Are you means in a website you will see
www.
www,
Yeah.
3w.
Mm,
So static website, basic browser like Netscape
okay.
is basic, which you are able to hit and you are able to see something. But nowadays browser are also advanced.
Yeah.
You will install a lot of extension. You will do the lot of things with your browser. They will come up with a development tool as well, which you will use while we will do the front end thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And now early internet. Okay, go ahead, please. Web 2.0, interactive website. Earlier we have a static website. Now we have an interactive. What you understand from interactive?
Like the way if we're pressing any button, it's showing what's going on in this way. It's interactive websites.
Okay. So yes means, let's say I will say interactive means you will get a response.
Yeah.
Let's say you will fill a form and you will inquiry for your result,
Mm-hmm.
class result, or then you are able to interact. And based on your interaction, you will get a result.
Yeah.
Like right now, I'm taking your class. Then, if you are just you are asking some question and I am not doing no not answering your question, it's not an interaction. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The same thing with this.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that means your website are able to you can say able to interact. Then you can say they have a little mind. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm.
Because based on that they will able to interact, isn't it?
Yes.
So technology like Ajax and JavaScript frameworks. So then we have a Ajax and another JavaScript framework where we are able to interact. Okay,
Yep.
go ahead, please.
Cloud internet.
Now, cloud internet, cloud infrastructure, AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay, now earlier everything is set up in in our own hardware or system. Makes sense.
Mm.
Means internet is available means for internet the means I IPS they have their own server and things. So satellites are there and things. And you have a system and you need to I means this internet service provider you were able to access that,
Mm.
but you require your system. Okay, but now cloud provider comes in a picture like this AWS, Azure, and thing. Okay,
Mm.
they said why you are doing the setups and things at your end rather than set up the let's means give that responsibility to us.
Mm.
And so that whatever you want to do you will take we will take care, you need to just use those. Okay,
Mm.
or you can go with a hybrid model as well. You will use some of the things by your own and some of the thing you will hand over to us,
Mm.
and you need to charge whatever you use. Okay,
Yeah.
and API and microservices also come in a picture, which we will learn in a Python. APIs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the full form of API we discussed?
Uh, API, RT
Application
application
programming interface.
interface. Yeah.
And microservices is architecture where we will means divide the things into smaller parts, means smaller responsibility basically.
Yeah. Mm.
And mobile first application. So your web application you can say open on a in us means without disturbing the user experience, can open on a your mobile phone as well.
Mm.
Okay. So, and after that, you can say in a this. Now we have edge computing, AI powered services, global CDN network. Okay.
Hmm.
So, edge computing. So, what do you understand from this?
Hmm. Microsoft Edge.
No, 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 no. No, no, it's not a Microsoft. It's not a Microsoft thing. Okay.
Hmm.
So, it's you can say, so let's say you have the IoT devices as well. You know what is the IoT device?
No.
Okay, so let's say your this fan, your AC,
Hmm.
that means send their data to the server. Okay,
Hmm.
that's called you can say this. Okay, so and edge computing is a this means you can store the data and analyze the things. Edge computing.
Okay.
Okay, so means edge means what you understand from edge in normal English.
Uh, like very near to uh edge or kinda, how do I say it? Like,
Yes, yes,
yeah.
near. You can say think of near. Am I right?
Hmm.
So in a edge computing, let's say you can say AWS is providing a services. Am I right?
Hmm.
And they are providing a services near to Canada, near to USA, so that you can set up the thing nearby you. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So, but it's a decentralized. It's not a centralized, it's a decentralized.
Hmm.
Okay. And so if it's a near to you, then it's easy for you to communicate. Am I right?
Hmm.
So that's called edge computing. Okay.
Yeah.
And AI powered services. So now AI, as you know, is a mimic of our human being, human mind. Am I right?
Yes.
So right now they will advance and we can take a decision. They will take a decision as well in
Yes.
agentic AI and they will respond after analyzing your input, they can respond. So this is what is CDN, you know?
CDN?
Yes.
No, I don't know. Cloud something?
Content delivery network.
Okay.
So it's a you can say a geographic distributed group of servers, geographically distributed group of servers that cache website content. So let's say they will cache. Let's say you are hitting a website and you are not means you require something new. Okay.
Hmm.
So they will cache. They will based on you can say your request. They will return a same response from cache rather than putting a load every time putting a load on a server.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And real-time web application. Real-time web application like your trading things.
Yeah.
Okay, where
Banking
means
app,
you sorry,
banking applications.
banking applications are not real time. Like real time, you can consider live match streaming.
Oh, okay.
Okay, live telecast.
Hmm.
Okay, and you can see your this trading share market
Oh,
statics.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Means
Yeah.
where need to be in a fraction of second that need to be updated. But your
Mm,
banking application will not consider there. We cannot consider those.
mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Domain name system. Yeah.
DNS convert domain names into IP address that computer can understand. Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Computer understand IP, and you, as a human, we can understand domain name.
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's there. Okay,
Yep.
go ahead, please. Every device connected to internet has a unique identifier called as a IP address.
IP address. Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Now you will understand this. Earlier you are
HTTP
asking
is
what is
the
this.
protocol used by browsers to communicate with web servers. HTTPS provides encrypted communication. Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
go ahead, please. Let's say you will visit a website, you enter your URL and DNS lookup happen and browser send HTTP request, server is process request, server return whatever available there. Okay.
Browser
And
web page. Yep.
so means we will learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So HTML is your structure, CSS your beautification and JavaScript is your mind. Makes sense.
What did you say about HTML?
Let's say HTML is your body structure,
Okay.
body.
Yep.
Because if we talk about body same of everyone, like
Mm.
two eye, two ear, two eyes, two one nose, two legs, two arms. Am I right?
Yes.
But how we will differentiate? How you will look smart or think by your sense of styling and clothing?
That one is CSS.
Yes, CSS, which will give us a beautification. And if you are your body is well maintained and you wear, you can say, beautiful clothes, but you don't have a mind, what happened there?
Mm.
Is this useful for you?
No.
So to make a interactive thing we require a JS server. Am I right?
Yeah.
And browser render web pages. Now you are able to see the output.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please. Now you need to observe this. Okay,
Okay. So.
this
Oh,
your assignment. This your assignment. You will
oh,
do this as an assignment. Let's move to next PPT.
okay. Mm.
Next topic, you can just a minute. Let me check. What is the next topic? Client versus server.
Client. This one.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
Go ahead and check, read and check. Let me know if you are not able to understand anything. Right now, we will discuss this client and server. Am I right?
Yes.
So now we will check and let me go through client and server, how they communicate and how this architecture involved a modern web system. How this system work in a modern website system. Okay, go ahead, please.
Understand client and server and
Server
ecosystem.
role.
Flow evolution. See real world application flow. Okay. What is a client? Client is a device or application that requests Service, form service, web browser, mobile apps, desktop apps.
Okay, means you can make a request to the server by your mobile apps, by your browser, like whatever we are doing,
Mm.
means through this Chrome and Edge and
Mm.
desktop as well. Okay, so client can be your desktop app, web app, or mobile app.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please. Example of a Chrome browser. These are the example, like Postman, which we use. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say you are making a backend or API in this Python and Django. Okay.
Mm.
And first you need to make sure everything is working as expected. So you require some app with the help of that you can verify. Means this is a request I'm expecting and I am performing this task and the expected output should be this.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense. So
Yeah.
in that case, you will use means right now browser don't have that capability to means give you a flexibility to do that. So we require this postman thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please. What is server? That process request and provide resources or data to client. Think of that means
I
uh,
think server is a like. I think of like. I think server is a place where they store the data.
everything is there. Data
Everything
and resource like your images, your you can say information, everything is there.
is there. Yeah.
Okay.
Before
Think of
server, before server, there is API, right?
no, 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 no.
Then who's there?
No, server is already always there.
Okay.
But you can say capability of server is less there. They will just in a early stage we so means static pages are only there.
Mm.
Okay. They don't have a mind. But nowadays, with the help of the language, we can give a mind to server.
Okay.
Server is always there.
Okay.
Okay, so you can think of you will go to a restaurant you will request for let's say pizza. Okay,
Mm.
then it's means go to means when you means make your order or request for order, then you can say your who is a counter person. We can say manager of that hotel means check means pass your order to a you can say analyze your order means he required this veg pizza non-veg pizza whatever pizza based on that it will
Mm.
process you can say means it will send your request to the means based on your request to send a request to the kitchen and kitchen person will chef will make a pizza and they will means check the things and revert that pizza or give that pizza to you.
Mm.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So same thing server is doing.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
go ahead, please. Type of server: web server, application server, database server, and file server. Okay,
Mm.
so like you require, you require means
Yeah.
every server have their own role.
Yeah.
Some are you can say database server which you can use for database. Okay. Some are you can say this application server or some are just for web server. So that means they will you can say give us a flexibility to do something like load balancing, routing, proxy. Makes sense. And file server is will responsible for handling with the files only, storing the
Mm.
file. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, go ahead, please. Why client server architecture? Why we will divide this into two parts?
Separation of responsibilities, centralized data management, security and access. Hmm.
You understand from this? What do you understand from these 4 points?
So, we're trying to separate the responsibilities from the client and server.
Yes, both have a different responsibilities. Am I right?
So,
And client is
centralized data management is for server, I guess.
yes, because we have a different type of servers and it's a centralized.
Hmm.
Okay, go ahead. No, 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 no. Third point,
Project,
security and
sorry, security and access control.
so
Hmm.
that we can consider, let's say, in our day-to-day life, means in your college or your company or your house, security guards are there. Okay, and they will check before on entry. They will check this person is authorized or not.
Hmm.
Am I right?
Yes.
So if user is authorized, they will give a you can say entry. Otherwise, they will not give a entry. Makes sense.
Yes.
So in your banking website, they will check everything. Am I right? It means like bank person can check your this some detail of you, your detail. Am I right?
Hmm.
But you cannot check another person detail. Makes sense. That's called access control. Okay. And because scalability for million of users. So right now means today you have a less user, but tomorrow the things are improved. Then you can increase the you can say server as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
So it's a give you a scalability. Okay. So you can say target with the help of this, you can target worldwide, not only one country or one city. Okay.
Hmm.
So we will check this already. If you have any question or concern, you can ask from me. Otherwise, we will discuss this already.
Yep.
Go ahead. So we already discussed.
Yeah. What is
Now application logic.
application logic? Yeah, I was about to ask you.
So application logic, let's say you will say, hey, if user will means let's say bank is providing different kind of schemes or offer to you based on your you can say score, credit card score.
Hmm.
So means based on a credit score, someone is there or something should be there, logic should be there. Based on that, you will able to get your output. So that's called application logic.
Okay.
Means we give a mind to this application. So based on a user, it will give us a response accordingly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So like this evolution stage one, mainframe era. Centralized computing with the dump terminal. Dump we cannot interrupt. All processing handled by mainframe computer. Okay. Means you can think of you have only one server which is handling everything.
Yes.
Okay, and you don't have a UI, you work on a terminal only.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead, please. Two-tier architecture. Client application communicate directly with the database server only.
Okay.
No application logic, they can directly hit the data. You can say
Hmm.
you have a treasure at your home and without any security or without anything, you are saying, hey, you can enter, and whatever you want to take, you can take it.
Yeah.
Or if you want to disturb, you can disturb, because you are giving a access of your all the things.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Now two things are there. Okay.
Application server and database server. So someone is between.
Yes, now applications are in between. One security guard is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now it will improve scalability because responsive are divided now. Am I right? And
Yeah.
maintainability. Okay. Now APIs come in a picture.
Yeah. Application
Programming interface.
interface and with APIs. Front and front like created Angular. Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Microsoft.
Now distributed system with a microservice. Right now, you can create a single app with a multiple languages,
Hmm.
because every you can say, you can think of, you have a one you have a family, and your in your family you have a one goal, but in a team you have a one goal to win the match.
Hmm.
Am I right?
Hmm.
But everyone have their own role and responsibility.
Yeah.
Like bowler have their own responsibility, batter have their own, and all-rounder have their both the responsibility. But if means someone is failed, then we can identify, and we need to means coach need to give a more focus on that area only, that
Mm-hmm.
person only, not all the team. Same with this microservices.
Hmm.
Micro means, what is mean of micro?
Small, very small.
Yes. And now means to, let's say you have only one system, am I right?
Hmm.
And if you have you can say one system, and you need to install multiple application, it is not possible. But in this era, it's possible, because they will introduce containers.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's say to ship something from here, India to Canada, by you can say this. By water, we use this container, shipped container from here and there for import and export by
Hmm.
um, by you can say water, or this. So same thing with this. The means in a single computer you will, there is a country Docker things are there which will ship or install your application
Hmm.
in a you can say container only. And container contain images can be your this system images thing. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
which will give you everything whatever you require there only in a container. Okay.
Hmm.
And cloud infrastructure as well, you can use cloud infrastructure. Go ahead, please. So now modern full stack architecture, client is written in this, and API layer is Django, Node.js. Okay, database, whatever data, cloud infrastructure. You can means deploy your this on your own server, or you can go with the cloud infrastructure. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, go ahead, please.
For the client, I get the mobile app, but what about React?
React your web app,
Okay. Okay.
which you will use in a React.
Okay.
Angular and React will SAR layer as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
Open browser. Close.
It's the same thing which you need to do previously.
Okay.
Go ahead. It's done.
Yep.
Now I think you are able to answer all these questions. Am I right?
Yes.
Earlier, maybe you are not.
What is
Okay.
a three-tier architecture?
You need to tell me. Now
three.
three things are there. Earlier, mainframe computer is there only one.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in the next era, we will have means database and client.
Yeah.
In a third phase or third, you can say this evolution, we have a application server, data client, application server, and database.
Oh
That's
yeah.
called three tier.
Three. Yep. Hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
let me just a minute.